Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your phone. First, download the free Notion app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, simply sign in with your existing Notion account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Take a moment to explore the bottom navigation bar. It's your hub for quick access to key features like Home, Search, Inbox, and New Page. Navigating Notion on your phone is intuitive. Swipe right to go back to a previous page, or swipe left to open the sidebar for your workspaces and favorite pages. To create new content, tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. This allows you to add various content blocks. You can also use slash commands by typing a / followed by the block type, like /to-do for a checkbox, to quickly insert elements. To optimize your mobile experience, design pages with single-column layouts and use toggles to collapse content, reducing excessive scrolling. Make sure to favorite your most important pages. They will appear at the top of your navigation bar for quick access. Notion also supports real-time collaboration. You can mention teammates by typing followed by their name and add comments to specific content, ensuring everyone stays updated and connected. For advanced mobile use, consider adding Notion widgets to your phone's home screen. These provide one-tap access to specific pages or recent items. Utilize the Quick Add feature to jot down ideas instantly, even without fully opening the app. Furthermore, Notion AI can offer smart assistants, helping you build, write, and automate tasks directly from your mobile device, making your workflow even more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.